Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life. And guess what? We just released our newest club set in my book with the dies that match. But you know what, my friends? There is so much more to the collection. I want to briefly show you this really quick because this is so awesome. You're definitely going to want to get this. The best part about this collection is we put all of the add-on items into a separate kit so you can grab them at a special discount. Let's jump in. First, there is In My Book, which adds extra books and fun stuff like that. Then there is the dies that match. Then there is the book sayings, so lots of fun different sayings. Then there is this awesome outline die, and let me show that to you really quick because look how awesome that is. And then there is, of course, a stencil. Because two stencils, you need stencils. So go check it out, stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here, because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.